Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and we do all kinds of fun unboxings here. We also do a little bit of like product hauls and product reviews. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. We'd love to have you. Don't forget guys, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy and make sure to turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload. As you can see, today we are going to be unboxing, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a little disclaimer because even the name of the box has some foul language, if you will, but it's still a fun and quirky box. It's amazing, and that is the Smartass Sass box. Even the box itself has amazing stuff on it. Well-behaved women seldom make history. Classy, sassy, and a bit smart-assy. So this is just a really, really fun box. So before we dive in, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Smartass Sass so you know what to expect. Now they do have 3 different subscription levels. They have where you can get just a t-shirt for $15.95. You can get just like the box of goods for $34.95, or you can get both the t-shirt and the box, so like the whole shebang, for $49.95. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for Smartass Sass. I do also have a promo code they provided me, which is Southern20. That will get you 20% off your first box, and that is good through the end of May. And also, just so you know, with Smartass Sass, you can go ahead and prepay for 3, 6, or 12 months on any of the subscription levels, and it will save you a little bit of money by doing so. In this box, you're going to receive 5 to 7 items, and they're going to be sarcastic, snarky, fun items, and they're going to vary depending on the theme of the box. So, like I said, let's go ahead, get in here, and see what we got. All right, so when you open it, you see here, there's always a card on top. And then goodies hidden underneath. All right, so it looks like the theme is domestic as hell. So that is fun. And then you open this, and this is gonna go over all of the different products, and it does give pricing, which I like. So let's go ahead and see in here what we got. Okay, so we got some squigglies out of the way, so we're just gonna go ahead and start. The first thing I see on top here is this really big magnet, and it says squeaky clean or damn dirty. So this is the Clean Dirty Magnet from Smartass Sass. Keep your dishwasher status straight with this printed button magnet, and this is worth $5. So this is actually an item from Smartass Sass. Also, you can, which I really like, if you see an item in a box that you like, or want to maybe purchase a past box, sometimes they have them listed on their site. You can actually go and you can shop for individual items, and like I said, sometimes past boxes, which is great. And then they do always include a Bic pen, and it will always obviously have something different on it, and this one says adult-ish. I love that. It says, I'm an adult, but not like a real adult. And then they say, every month we include a new design of a collectible Bic clip pen featuring silver detail and a snarky phrase. Keep an eye open because pen thieves will be on the prowl. And this is worth $1.50. I think that is so adorable. And let's see. Then we have, what is this right here? Drinks Are On Me coaster set from Smartass Sass. These wood and marble coasters are classy and sassy. They'll keep your table in mint condition and keep your guests giggling. Each coaster has 4 feet for additional protection, and this is a $12 value. So let's take a look and see. I have coasters everywhere, so I'm definitely happy. These are so cute. This is like, and this, again, it is funny, so I definitely see where they're saying guest, you know, because obviously, you know, drinks are on me. I got the round, but now you're at home, drinks are on me because they're sitting on the coaster. These are so cute. I really like these, and the wood and marble, these are very, very nice quality. All right, so then let's see. I have something tucked right here. This is Snackcidents Happen reusable bag from Smartass Sass. This is so cute. Keep your snacks looking cute. The bag is made from PUL cloth, which is non-toxic, phthalate-free, PVC-free, BPA-free, and lead-free. And to care for it, you just turn it inside out, wipe, clean, or hand wash in cold water, let it air dry. Do not put this in the dryer. And it is $8, worth $8. That is so cute. All right, and then we have got we got some bath salts. Peppermint eucalyptus soaking salts. I'm done adulting today. I love that. Okay. Let's see. I'm done adulting today. Botanically infused bath salts from Tubtonics. Get skin soft and your mind uplifted. Each custom created salt soak is blended with pure grade essential oils and skin loving herbs and botanicals. This 6-ounce pouch is good for about 2.5 soaks. And again, it's peppermint and eucalyptus, and this is worth $8. It sounds, oh, I can smell the peppermint a little bit, and it smells fantastic. All right, so let's see. We've got something here in a white box. It does have that on there. Oh, what is this? Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, I love this. So it's a plastic cup, beautiful floral print. And it says, I run on caffeine, chaos, and cuss words. Yes, ma'am, all day long. So let's see. I run on caffeine, chaos, and cuss words. Mug from Smartass Sass. Truer words were never spoken. These are the 3 things that fuel us. This mug is made of melamine, so it is shatterproof and top rack dishwasher safe. It is not microwave safe. The quote is opposite the handle with a wrapped floral graphic. This is 14 ounces and it is a $15 value. I love this so much. This is just me all day long. I love it. Okay, then we have got Submersive Sponges, Sponge Caddy Set. So we have this right here. Submersive Sponge Caddy Set with frame from Fred. Doing the dishes brings out the surly side in all of us. Show them how you really feel with these tedious tasks with Fred's submersive sponges. Each set includes 4 unique embroidered poly sponges with a PP gold frame that stands on your countertop or suctions to your sink or tile. This is worth $13. That is fun. Let's take a look. All right, so there's the sponges, and okay, so we have the suction cups right here, and like, I guess this is where it would stand. Let's see. Oh, I've got them in like packs. Okay, so this is adorable. So it's like, it looks like a little gold frame, and you could put the suction cups there, or you could put the little clip there to have it stand. And then we have our 4 sponges. Oh my God. I love this. Okay. So this first one says, dishes be damned. And this bottom one says, fuck dish shit. This is so funny. I love how they look embroidered and like old fashioned, and I just love that. All right, and the other 2, the first one says, not gonna wash themselves, and then the bottom one says, clean up your act. These are so cute. And they do have like the scrubby side here on the back. So you got 4 sponges. Dishes be damned. I love this. That is amazing. And it looks like we have one more item. All right, so we do have our one final item here, and this is from Holly Oddly, Complete Before Netflix Notepad. This cheeky notepad is the perfect way to put a smile on your face when doing perfectly mundane yet necessary tasks. It also makes a great gift for the sarcastic friend or family member. Made from 100% post-consumer recycled paper with backing board on back. This is a $13 value. And it says, task I must complete before I can watch Netflix. I love that. And then it has like the date and where you can write the task, check them off, and then it says, boom, boom, congratulations, you finally may watch Netflix. That is so funny. So we had the notepad, we had the mug, we had the pin, we have the dishwasher magnet, we have the sponge set, which is hilarious. We have the bath salts, we have the Snacksidens happen bag, and the Drinks on Me coaster. So there were quite a bit of items in here, and this was a really, really good box. It was funny and useful. I love this box. I will put the total value of the products down here so you guys know. Like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for Smartass and Sass, and that promo code Southern20 to save you 20% off your first box. Guys, I think this is amazing. Now, the May box is sold out, but you can go ahead and sign up for June. And like I said, the promo code is good through the end of May. It's definitely a way to put a smile on your face. And if you're like me, you find the humor and all of that, I think this is an amazing subscription, and I definitely recommend it. It will put a smile on your face for sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. Have a wonderful day. Bye.